some of you may be familiar with Reiki, and while we're waiting for others to join, anything that came up for you that you want to release, I have spoken to some, and some might want to share about it now. So anything that you truly know that you want to release, please start. Do I have to unmute you, or you can share? How does that work?
So,
Unmute themselves and talk.
yeah. So, Aditi, what I was saying that all of us were already present. I think we shared on the chat itself what we want to release. So, we don't know who else are going to join in or not join in. I would suggest that you start. You start your session. If somebody joins in, okay, fine. If they don't, that's their choice too. Okay, so go ahead with it.
I think Nishita has some internet issues. She's writing resistance.
She's written resistance. Okay, got it. Okay, so can you all just take a long, deep breath? Allow whatever is showing up with your awareness and get comfortable with it, accept it. And to start, I'll just play a little bit of music. Not really, I shouldn't call it music, but yeah. So just enjoy this. Keep breathing, keep your eyes closed. And since we are doing this as a group activity, let's just pray for the well-being of everybody. Keep breathing. Align your chakras. Get a sense of your breathing. Keep your back straight. Welcome. Welcome to Reiki, welcome to meditation, welcome to magic, whatever calls you. So I hope that relaxed you, took you away from where you were, and has got you present with the moment that we are in right now. I would really appreciate if you could have your videos on so that I get to see you, I get to see how you're receiving, I get to work with you, and I hope I have permission to work with each one of you. Yes? Great. Thank you so much. Namrata, I can't see you. You can send me a thumbs up. Great. Fine. Nishita, thank you. So, in my awareness, I'll start with my own experience first, why I am so in love with Reiki. I had lost my dad some 8 years ago, and I became a workaholic. So I was working, I was in hospital, out of hospital, taking care of home, kids, mom, all of that. And I don't think I even processed the loss, the grief, or anything, because I was just so much into a lot of stuff. And we had to move from Hyderabad to Gurgaon after I lost my dad. And I was waiting for a doctor. My mom had to meet a doctor or something. And this lady who was running the Ayurvedic space, she said, oh, you know, while you're waiting, why don't you come and meet me? Let's chat. So I went to her and I didn't say anything to her. She just said, give me your hands. She held my hands and I felt so much energy flowing to me. I'm getting goosebumps sharing with you right now. And I cried. There was no words. I didn't have to tell her anything. She didn't ask me anything. But I cried, and I think it was after maybe about 8-9 months that I would have actually cried, recalling what I had been through. And it was just so beautiful. And I didn't speak to her after that. I just went away. Then I went back to her 3 days later and I asked her, what had you done to me? So she said, nothing. I practiced Reiki and I just sensed you needed it and I gave it to you. And I was like, wow. It stayed with me. I still waited for, I think, a year or so before I actually found somebody who taught Reiki, learned the modality, and then I moved to Bombay. When I moved to Bombay, I went back to learn my second level. I went back to the same person who had taught me. Now, this was traditional Reiki. And the first level when I learned, I told her I want instant. My mom was going through back issues. My husband was going through knee pain. There was so much that was happening in our lives, so much transition. And I said, you know, you need to give me some magic that I can work with these two people. And she said, great, work with them tonight and it will be resolved. Her intention, my faith, really worked magic. My mom was going for x-rays. My hubby was like willing to go and get a surgery done. Touch wood, it's been like 5 years. We are still all good. So that is why my faith in Reiki is abundant, immense. And I know that a lot of people feel that you take on other people's problems. You know, eventually it affects your health, it drains you. It's when you disconnect yourself emotionally and you do the therapy like, this is it, this is what needs, like how you're cleaning a utensils, this is the kachra, clean it, leave it. That's how you work with it. You don't start, that's why I say don't buy into the sob story. You don't start feeling pity, sympathy for that person, because then you're disempowering that person. So I believe in the magic of Reiki. I believe that Reiki creates shift beyond what we are really looking at. So that's what Reiki has done for me. There are times when now with Reiki and Guru and all that and rituals. In fact, today when I was preparing for the class, I was like, there are so many things that I don't really still follow. But I think in my heart, when I call out to the energy, all of it just comes together. So yeah, I think it's so much to do with intention. How much you are willing to work with the energy, how much you are willing to receive. Reiki is never given, it's always received. So people who are wanting to change will receive it and the change will occur. The situations will get created, the possibilities will show up for the change to come up. So please be aware of that change. And that is what I'm looking at today. I don't want to go into the history of Reiki. We all know it was started by Dr. Mikao Usai. That's the traditional Reiki. Now there is a new Reiki which is there, which is called Holy Fire Reiki, and it is a lot more instant. So it is more to do with, you know, when you want to work on something, you used to be the channel and then do the work. So with Holy Fire, they don't do the channeling bit. So it's not the breath work that you do to get attuned. Now they call it placement. So it is you who's receiving the Reiki and the teacher who's passing on the Reiki. You go to a place where the placement happens from the third heaven directly. So there is no spirit guide, there is no, so you've just climbed up the levels and it is so pure and it is at a very spiritual level. So that is the difference between traditional Reiki and this new Holy Fire Reiki. It was started in 2012 or 14. I'm sorry, not very sure. But I learned it in 2015 and it's just beautiful. So everything that we are willing to release, I'll start the meditation at about 7:40 because that's what I have given in the thing. We can continue talking about it post the session as well. There are 5 principles in Reiki. So, and there's more to it in terms of, I will start with gratitude. So a lot of the things that you want to release also today, we require to have so much gratitude for it. I'm sorry, is there anything that, okay, wow. Great, thanks. Okay, so
Aditi, since you stopped, we have Shivani and
starting with gratitude. Sorry?
Shivani and Nisrin just joined. Since you stopped, I thought I'd
Cool. Thanks. So what happens is when you're upset with something, when you want to get rid of something, or when something is not a contribution to you anymore, you can actually send it a lot of gratitude and say thank you for the awareness that you have brought for me. Even when pain shows up in your body, what you require to do is just say thank you body for the awareness, because that's your universe's way of telling you that something needs to change. You're stuck somewhere. When you're getting your allergies, your cold, cough, your throat chakra is trying to tell you it's time to speak up. And it really is. I've experienced it with my son who's had a lot of allergies and stuff. And I've done work with him during sleep talk. So when he's sleeping, I do the Reiki process and say what I require him to know from my end. And when you're talking about self-esteem, some of you had shared that you want better self-esteem. When you have gratitude for your own body, for the work that you do, for the energy that you be, and for the space that you hold for somebody else to choose that change, imagine the expansion in that energy. Imagine the power, the beauty, the purity of that energy. And it actually shifts people's lives. Like Shivani, when you sing, the joy that it gives you gets transferred to the people who are listening to you sing. That's the space that we really require to get to. So the idea is to have a lot of gratitude for what you do, who you be, and even if something is bothering you or troubling you, that's the space that you need to be in. Do not be angry. Anger is again an awareness. It's something that requires to get created, right? But you get angry with yourself because you've not done something about it. You're aware of it. It is in your awareness, but you suppress it. So be aware of where this anger is coming out of. Why are you upset with the particular person? It's always our choice. Nobody exploits us. Nobody troubles us. Nobody does any hurt to us unless we choose or we allow that person to be more significant than us. So yes, does that mean we be selfish? Yes, all the definitions that you may have of the word selfish, please let it go. Because yes, self comes above everybody else. And like I was sharing with somebody that even in the aeroplane, they say first wear your own seat belt, right? Even if you're going underwater, please make sure you have your life jacket on. And I think I've put my status today that, never trust somebody who doesn't love their own self. Because, when the person hasn't experienced it, how can he share it with you or how can she share it with you? So have that space for yourself first. So do not be angry, have a lot of gratitude, earn your living with the honesty that you can. So we all know we don't talk about greed, but at the same time, there is a gift that you are to so many people. Just the space that you hold for these meetings to be done, Dina, the space that you hold for all of us to connect, and everybody else who's contributing in such beautiful ways. I am somebody who is so wary of people. Okay, I'm so in my head. I'm so aloof. I love myself so much that I'm not so comfortable with crowds. But this group is giving me the space to explore. I mean, the conversation that I've had in the last 1 week, I doubt if I've had in so many years, I think. So I just love that about me, and I'm honoring that about each one of you today, because it's opened my world to a whole lot of new places. And thank you, Reena, for that, because you're the one who said, Aditi, start swapping. So I'm so grateful to each one of you there. Please honor yourselves and whatever interactions that I've had with you, starting with Nanki, because Nanki in my reading, I think, was like a 7-minute reading. So she was like, are you sure? And I was like, yeah, I'm cool. And she was like, okay, fine. And it was just so beautiful that in 10 minutes we could connect so deeply. So please acknowledge that, because until and unless you acknowledge that about you, you being the joy, the wonder, the miracle, the magic, you cannot pass it on to other people. So can you all unmute yourself and say, I love myself for the magic that I am?
I love myself for
I
the
love
magic that I
I
am.
love
I
myself
love
for the magic,
myself for the magic
magic I am.
I love myself. Magic I am.
Yes, and for the contribution I be to everybody else. Nishita,
And
I
for
love
the
you too.
contribution for everybody
And
else.
for the contribution that I be to everybody else.
I love myself for the contribution that I be to
To everyone.
everybody else.
Thank you. That makes me feel so wow. Doesn't that make you feel wow?
Oh yes.
Can you
Yes,
say that every day?
yes.
Yes. So first thing when you get up, you look at the mirror and say, oh, I love myself for the magic that I am and the contribution I am to everybody. Yeah, thank you, Nishita. Third thing is do not worry. Because it's not going to lead us anywhere. You can sit here and say Corona, COVID, hospital, doctor, but we know Reena has traveled with that weird shield and what magic was she being. I know when I was getting into that road trip, I was like, I know I'm going to reach home and the universe has my back. And that is why they say surrender to Reiki, surrender to the energy of Reiki, because it is so beautiful, so expansive, right? Sorry, I think my Bluetooth is giving me trouble. Yeah. Cool. So, any questions so far? I love the smiles that everybody has on their face. The ones I can see. Any questions? कुछ नहीं, कुछ तो. Any people who are coming to your thought process? How easy is it to forgive? Is it easier now after knowing all this? Is it easier to forgive? Namrata, I hope you can see that mandala of mine there.
I think
I'll just
Nishita
make it
has
work
a
and
question.
distance. Okay, so I can make you experience something. That's what Nishita is asking. So you put your fingers out. Gently press the tip of your fingers. Yeah. Keep your breathing aligned. Breathe in. Be very aware of how you're breathing. Yeah. And then with your thumb, your palm. With your thumb, press your palm. Yeah. Anandji, namaste. Now, get your hands like you're about to hold a ball. Don't get them too close, but see if you can sense something between your palms. Can you sense it?
Yeah.
It'll be like a magnetic thing. If you try and
Yes.
get them closer, you will feel like a magnetic push. So for me, it's like here. For you, even if you try and get it closer, you will feel that there is something between your palms. If you're science students, you will know that's the energy that we talk about all the time. Yeah? Everybody's looking lost. Nishita, can you feel it? Great.
She
So
has already
this
said yes.
is the
Yeah.
energy. This is the universal energy. Reena, you're saying something, I can't hear you.
So yes, I did feel it, and Nishita has written she also has felt. Nanki is looking a little puzzled,
Sorry.
but I don't know who else has or has not.
I didn't get that, sorry.
No, I'm saying that Nishita has already written that she has experienced it between her hands.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So this is the energy that you can feel, and this is what we tap into, and it's an intelligent science. So you can't say, okay, Reiki, heal my knee, because that knee pain is actually coming from an emotion. And Hemaji, you're there. If you could talk about what you spoke about your tarot reading.
What exactly you want?
You
me
said
to-
when somebody comes to you for a tarot reading, remember you
Okay.
said there's somebody who comes to you and he tells, yeah.
Yes. So, like if someone is having pimples on his face or is having pain in the leg area or an area or back, the shoulder part. So everything has an emotional connect to it. Pimples on the face, acne on the face is clearly that you don't love yourself. That is why everything is showing on the outer side. Legs pain is always when you fear movement. You don't want to move to new places. You want to don't want to experiment.
Or even if you're being held back.
You are
Even
held
when-
back. And when it is shoulder, it is when there is, you feel you are burdened with too much of load. Then you have all this cervical and shoulder issues. So just putting medicine into your system is not going to fix throat is always when you feel constrained in what exactly you are feeling inside. I'm sorry to say, if you feel like saying gali, I will say, please, gali de do.
Yes, thank you for saying that.
Rather than saying, oh no, I cannot, say sala, say whatever is coming, blah, blah, blah. You need to release it. That's why people have throat issues, thyroid
Thyroid.
issue. Yeah, that's why. These all issues are all emotional. Putting pills into your system is not going to affect. Yeah, that
So,
was it.
I'm a very filmy person, so it takes me to Jab We Met Kareena Kapoor. That
Picture faड़ दो.
when she calls when she calls
गाली हाँ.
when she calls the boyfriends, and then she says,
Yes.
she starts with choti choti, and then she goes on to the bigger one. And I'm a
Yes.
Punjabi, totally relate to it, loved it. I love that scene in the movie. If anybody wants to say right now, please, you can. It's not that because we are doing Reiki and it's a religious science, so we should not be doing it. It has energy. You can say I love you, and you can mean I hate you. And you can say I hate you, and you can mean I love you. Doesn't that happen? Doesn't that
I would
happen?
like to share something. Like I went to learn Reiki just as a part of alternate healing. Like a friend of mine said, no, you go learn, it's a good thing. But when I made this energy ball is when I actually, trusted, oh, there is something, there is some energy, and this is how my journey started. I mean, when I first made this energy ball, and it is a wonderful feeling, when you send this energy ball with lots of healings and blessings to somebody you want to send,
Yes. You send it to money, you send it to your clients.
Yeah.
So you work with energy ball, you work with crystals. There's a lot that you actually work with. Let me see if I can show you. So these are the things that you actually work with. So there is a pyramid, there is a grid to it. Actually, I should not be showing you the grid. I had kept it out so that you can see that the energy, the Reiki grid is there. Sorry, Namrata's laughing. Yeah, so there is a lot that we actually work with. Yeah, cool. So anything else that you want to share?
Can I say something? Of course, because here are a lot of youngsters. There was one client, just newly married girl, who came to me for a reading. Sorry, but I need to say this thing here. She said, my in-laws जो हैं वो बहुत बुरी बुरी गाली देते हैं, all Hindi sorts of BC and MC types of galis. I said, hello, just wait. What kind of gali this generation gives for any simple of thing? What is FO literally means? I said, just because it's English और वो हिंदी है, वो तुमको crude लगती है, लेकिन meaning तो सबका same ही है. So
energy कितनी अच्छी है उसकी.
So I said, क्योंकि अब वो in style है to say FO, it's in, so you don't mind using it. And when you hear somebody saying the crude form of Indian language, you feel it bad. I said, hello, you need to change here.
More than anything else, we're talking about Reiki, but in Access Consciousness, we do a class where we say the F word, and not just FO, we say the full word to release that energy that we're holding in, so that it doesn't create ulcers, it doesn't create pain, it doesn't create cancer, it doesn't create all the shit that we actually need to get out of our system. Okay, I thought I'm going to be referring to a lot of notes. I'm not. I'm happy with that. What else? Something that you want to really ask. So because I know I've heard a lot of people say, मैंने Reiki सीखी थी, कुछ नहीं होता. I think because मैंने जब first class किया था, I think I paid somewhere around 5,000 rupees for that. My second class was somewhere around 8,000. My master class was, I think, 40,000. So it is very precious to me. First two were precious because they created the change. Third one was precious because I felt empowered. When I did that holy fire meditation, it took me to a world where I had conversation with God, and the kind of revelations that came to me, I was like, wow, this is my path. So maybe that is why when somebody says 6 minute mein tumhara reading ho gaya, because I know it is as easy as that. ऐसे करके life change होती है. We just have to believe in it. And I need reminders. I'm not a Gajni, but I still need reminders. And that's also for my children, so that the energy keeps transferring to them. I love the way Reena's laughing. Reena, please say something.
I will. Don't worry. I would want to share something because
Okay.
my own journey started with Reiki, and it has given me a lot in my very tough time. So I guess a lot of us have started our journey with Reiki. Like you have done, I have done, if I'm not wrong. Namrata, Shivani also perhaps has done Reiki. I'm not too sure.
Nishita
But
San,
yeah, Nishita also has written. So a lot of us started with it because it is a very basic energy that has been there, that was accessible and that is accessible any which way. So
True.
yeah, Shivani also is saying yes. So yeah, it's a very beautiful, very
I think
gentle
the
energy
master,
to
if
work
I'm
with.
not mistaken. Yeah.
So you carry on. What I would suggest, Aditi, is that yes, there is so much to talk about Reiki that you will find it difficult to capture everything over here in the 30 minutes or whatever we have. But give a sort of, that okay, there is level 1, there is level 2, whatever you are currently doing, and okay, how long does it take to master it? So there is this,
Okay.
you have to practice it for a while
You
before
want
you
to take
can do it for others. So give those basic, paths
sure.
as to how one learns it and one starts practicing.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
so that
like
kind of a thing.
yeah, so like I shared earlier, the traditional Reiki has 5 levels. I think to become the master, and maybe Shivani has more info on the traditional Reiki. The Holy Fire Reiki, you can do your 2 levels or anywhere that you've done your Reiki. The 3rd level, you do the Holy Fire Reiki, and that takes you to the master level. It's a 2.5-day program, and it gives you the manual. You get affiliated to William Lee Rand's School of Reiki. He is a disciple from the school of Mikao Osai itself. And yeah, so and it's more instant. Like I said, previous Reiki, you were the channel. Now you just conduct placements. So in 2.5 days, you learn the Reiki, 2 levels. You get a manual from William Lee Rand. This is the master level book. This is your master level book, and it has a whole lot of things. And in my conversation with people, I also came to know the sensing of entities, and Nishita also has been talking about it, though she hasn't learned it, but she senses and she's aware of the presence of entities. Even Preeti, just we were talking, and I could sense that she's still very connected with her grandmom. And she also asked if there was something that she could do about, she spoke about lineage or something that she wanted to get a reading for. Reiki also clears the spirit guides for you. It also allows you to connect to them, to receive from them uh, more of more of um, more of the contribution that they can be to your soul journey. So be it any modality, be it pranic, be it Reiki. Pranic, I'm not too sure of. I haven't learned, so I won't comment. But be it Reiki, be it Access Consciousness, be it Tarot, be it Akashic, it is about the spirit. It is about the soul that we are. It is not so much the physical form. The physical form requires its basic food, shelter, maybe sex, and stuff. But your spirit requires a lot more than you can actually fathom. So these are journeys that we have to experience, and each day, each experience takes you closer there. Nishta, are you able to understand how Reiki works? I can't call it like a process. It's an experience. So you experience it and you will feel the change. And when I do the meditation, you will know. And if, even in a session, you come to know. So you perceive. That's another difference that I want to make out. Are you being empathetic to somebody? Are you being sympathetic to somebody? Or are you perceiving somebody's pain and hurt? Many a times people come to you and they are so caught up in their trouble, be it relationship, be it finance, be it physical. It's manifested into physical, but it started with an emotional. when you start feeling, oh, I wish I could help this person, I wish मैं इसकी pain ले सकती, इसकी life ठीक हो जाए, that is when that draining sensation comes to you. However, when you do it from the space of, all right, what question can I ask here to empower this person? Like, Hema, can I share? So Hema said that I'm very judgmental. So I just asked her, no, she said I'm very impatient. So I asked her, is that impatience a problem or is that your gift? And then she was like overwhelmed with so much, and she's like, Aditi, you've triggered something. And she went into this whole thought process. So I think it's about being aware, and Reiki, for me personally, connects me to that space of awareness, that space of consciousness, and for sure enhances the intuitive powers that one has. We all have it. It's just about tapping into it and creating it so that you can change. If you don't take the action, then there's really no point. Yeah? So it's about taking that action. आनंद जी, आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है, कुछ पूछना है आपको? आई नो आपने भी बहुत काम किया है इसमें, दैट इज व्हाई मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ.
नहीं, रेकी में तो मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया है, लेकिन मैं ये बस जानना चाहता हूँ कि ये प्रोसेस सिर्फ आपको मतलब फिजिकल कोई प्रॉब्लम है उसके लिए ही सुना था मैंने अभी तक कि रेकी करना है, और दूसरा चीज कि कितने एक्सटेंट तक कोई डिजीज को अपन हील कर सकते हैं, जैसे बहुत मेजर डिजीजेज होती हैं उनको उस पे ये कितना काम कर सकता है?
ठीक है, सो मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगी. कोई ऐसा गारंटीड किसी किताब में नहीं लिखा है. ऑफ कोर्स रेकी जो विलियम ली रैंड का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, वो हॉस्पिटल्स के साथ भी काम करते हैं. वहां पे दे वर्क विद हॉस्पिटल्स टू क्योर कैंसर. आई हैव वर्कड विद अ बॉय हु वाज इन द यूएस. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही इज नॉट देयर एनीमोर, बट ही सर्वाइव्ड 3 years and his therapy was going great. So Reiki works beautifully at the physical level, yes. There was a friend of mine, and this is when I was very new to Reiki, and I had just done a body class in Access Consciousness. Now, Reiki is distance healing. You send the energy through your palms and you connect to the divine, and आप divine से connect करते हैं और आप किसी को वो energy भेज सकते हैं. Like ऐसे एक triangle होता है, मैं हूँ, ये एनर्जी है और आप सब लोग हैं जहां पे, और जब हम मेडिटेशन करेंगे तो ये एनर्जी आपके पास आएगी टू हील एंड टू रिलीज एवरीथिंग दैट यू रिक्वायर टू टुडे. सो जब ये एनर्जी क्रिएट होती है, वो रिलीज होता है और आपको खुद से अवेयरनेस आती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आपको ऐसे जगा रही हूँ कि आनंद जी आपको ये करने की जरूरत है. आपको खुद से पता चलता है, ओ मैं यहाँ पे अटका हुआ हूँ, अरे 10 साल पहले ऐसे हुआ था और इस वजह से मैं अपनी नी पेन पकड़ के बैठा हुआ हूँ, या मेरे फादर ने मेरे को बचपन में ये नहीं करने दिया, या मुझे किसी ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया, उस टीचर ने बोला मैं मैथ्स में डफर हूँ, इसलिए मेरे को इतनी ज्यादा इनसिक्योरिटीज है अपने बारे में. सो वो जिस पॉइंट पे आप अटके हुए होते हैं, ये वहां से जाके उस रूट कॉज से जाके आपको रिलीज करता है अगेन. इसमें कंट्रोल जो रेकी भेज रहे हैं उनका इतना नहीं होगा जितना जो रेकी रिसीव कर रहे हैं उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन ज्यादा होगा. सो ऐसे ये काम करता है. रेकी ऑलवेज वर्क्स एट द इमोशनल लेवल. हमेशा वो इमोशन को निकालेगा तभी वो फिजिकल ठीक होगा. Like for my mother, the back issue was lack of support. My father's not there. कौन उनका ध्यान रखेगा? So when you send out the energy, she just gets that sense of पूरी दुनिया है. You know, there is a whole world. मेरी लाइफ तो अभी शुरू हुई है. अभी तक तो मैं सिर्फ पति, बच्चे, घर देख रही थी. अभी मेरे पास कितना कुछ है और करने के लिए. So that is how Reiki empowers you. And the belief system is that you feel, honestly, you just feel one with the trees, with the birds, with the sky, with the gods that you have. So I mean, बहुत लोग मुझे बोलते हैं अरे गणेश जी हैं, चप्पल उतारें, या हम नॉनवेज ना खाएं, या हम ये करें. For me, they are as good as you being in my drawing room or them being in my drawing room. I mean, I don't have that space. And I know I'm sorry if I offend anybody, but that's how I am. And before I begin the meditation, thank you. This is an awareness from the last 1 week. मैं ऐसी हूँ, कोई फॉर्म स्ट्रक्चर मेरे लाइफ में नहीं है. नम्रता जी जहाँ पे हैं उनको पता होगा. सो अगर मेरे से कुछ ऐसी बात बोली जाए जो आपको नहीं ठीक लगे, प्लीज मुझे माफ करना, बट accept me that this is how I am. सो या हो सकता है मैं ज्यादा थोड़ा कुछ बोल दूं, बिकॉज मुझे पता है आपके लिए जो मैं बोलने वाली हूँ वो आपको आज नहीं, हो सकता है 3 महीने बाद समझ में आएगा, अच्छा हाँ वो इम्पोर्टेंट था मेरे लिए. सो प्लीज नीना, dimples will pop out. Yeah, so thank you. मेडिटेशन शुरू करें 7:40. ग्रुप में पूछूं कोई और ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू गेट टू इट. आई लव दैट स्पेस व्हेन वी आर इन दैट.
I think you should just start, Aditi, because for all of us, whomsoever is facilitating, we cannot like keep on trying to coordinate with everybody to get them on track. Okay, it is individual responsibility for each one of us to be there to receive what we have committed to receiving. So I think you should definitely just start off with the meditation that way.
So I'm aware of some of the things that you want to release. आनंद जी, आपको कुछ है जो आपको रिलीज करना है? कोई डर, कोई फियर, कोई चिंता, कोई गुस्सा?
मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत लो है, मतलब कुछ भी मैं करता हूँ तो मेरे को अपने आप पे भरोसा नहीं है बेसिकली, कि मैं ठीक कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं कर रहा हूँ, वेदर इट इज आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड रीडिंग और कुछ भी, कि आई एम नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ कि मैं अच्छा कर रहा हूँ.
ओके, ठीक. सो मैं एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगी यहाँ पे, और मैं पहले करने वाली थी जब रीना ने मुझे बताया कि रेकी के बारे में बताइए. तो मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी शुरू के टाइम पे, जब मैंने रेकी करना शुरू किया था, और मैंने एक बॉडी क्लास अटेंड करी थी. और बॉडी क्लास के बाद एक्सेस में आपको बहुत सारे लेवल्स करने पड़ते हैं जब आप डिस्टेंस कर सकते हैं. पर क्योंकि मैंने रेकी थ्रू डिस्टेंस 2nd लेवल ही किया था तब तक, तो मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने फोन किया और बोला कि मुझे पता है तुम ऐसे ऐसे करती हो, मेरे फादर लखनऊ में है, उन्हें हॉस्पिटल ले जा रहे हैं, मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इट्स अ हार्ट कंडीशन एंड ही इज इन वेरी बैड शेप. तो उनकी तबीयत बहुत खराब है, मेरी मॉम और भाई बहुत घबराए हुए हैं, मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, मैं क्या करूं, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. तो मैं उसको बोला तुम फोन रखो, उनके हॉस्पिटल जाने से पहले मुझे रेकी भेजने दो, बिकॉज एक बार हॉस्पिटल पहुंच गए तो मुझे नहीं पता वहां क्या होगा. So she said okay, and I said मैं आपसे परमिशन ले रही हूँ, क्योंकि परमिशन लेना होता है आपके डैड से कनेक्ट करने के लिए. एंड मैंने सिर्फ रेकी भेजा और मैंने बोला जो उनको चाहिए ये उन तक पहुंचे. एंड जो मुझे अवेयरनेस आया उस समय कि वो शायद एक एज पे थे जहां उन्हें अटेंशन चाहिए थी. अब अटेंशन कैसे मिलेगी? बीमार होकर तो सबसे ज्यादा अटेंशन मिलेगी, डॉक्टर भी आएगा, नर्स भी आएगी, दवाइयां भी होंगी, लोग भी आएंगे, लोग मिलने भी आएंगे. जब हम अच्छे भले हैं तो कोई पूछता ही नहीं है. सो मैंने सिर्फ उनके जो भी एनर्जी थी उनसे कनेक्ट करके बोला कि क्या ये जरूरी है? क्या आप सब बच्चों को इकट्ठा करके बोल नहीं सकते कि मुझे तुमसे प्यार चाहिए? उन्हें खाने पे ले जाइए, एक छुट्टी मना लीजिए. बीमार होना जरूरी है, अगर आपको पैसे ही खर्चने हैं तो किसी अच्छी तरह से खर्चिए. ओके, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था मैं क्या कर रही थी उस समय. मैंने सिर्फ सरेंडर किया रेकी एनर्जी को और बोला व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड, हेल्प मी. एंड जो एनर्जी मुझे फील हुई वाज लाइक द एनर्जी ऑफ द सन एक्सपैंडिंग एक्सपैंडिंग एक्सपैंडिंग. और वो अंकल की जो एनर्जी थी वो इतनी सुंदर थी. आज तक मैं अपनी फ्रेंड को बोलती हूँ कि वो आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू हिम कि उन्होंने मुझे वो एनर्जी एक्सपीरियंस करवाई. और वो मेरे लिए जरूरी था, क्योंकि मैं बहुत श्योर हो गई कि अरे यार कोई फॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर है ही नहीं, जैसे करोगे इट विल वर्क. तो मैंने उसको फोन करके बोला कि मुझे नहीं लगता वो एडमिट होंगे. कहती है नहीं वो तो बैठे हैं, उनका ईसीजी हो रहा है और वो बोल रहे हैं आज रात को तो ऑब्जर्वेशन में रखेंगे. मैंने बोला अच्छा ठीक है, बट डोंट वरी, कुछ खतरे की बात नहीं. बट मेरी वो थी कि अरे यार मैंने तो देखा है कि कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है, ऐसे कैसे. 20 मिनट बाद उसका फोन आया, आदिति वो घर चले गए. मैं नाची थी, मैं रियली डांस करी थी कि वाओ थैंक यू यूनिवर्स, आपने मुझे दिखाया. तो और मैं बहुत और बेवकूफों वाली चीजें भी करती हूँ. जैसे अगर मुझे कभी कभी डिसीजन लेना होता है तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि अच्छा अगर सिग्नल ग्रीन होगा ना मतलब मुझे ये करना चाहिए, अगर सिग्नल रेड हुआ तो मतलब ये वार्निंग साइन है कि मुझे ये नहीं करना चाहिए. मैं किसी से पूछूं उससे बेटर मुझे लगता है कि मुझे कोई चिड़िया, कोई कबूतर, कोई कौवा, कोई कुत्ता, बिल्ली आके बता देगा. आई एम सो ग्लैड टू सी बहुत लोग नॉड कर रहे हैं, मतलब वो भी ऐसी जल्दी चीजें करते हैं. मैंने ये एक इंटरव्यू पे बोला था, उन्होंने मुझे पूछा आपको ये जॉब क्यों चाहिए. मैंने कहा क्योंकि पिछले हफ्ते जब मैं सिग्नल पे खड़ी थी मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज थी, मेरे को 2 ऑफर्स आ रहे थे, मैंने पूछा कि मैं ये करूं या वो, तो सिग्नल ग्रीन हो गया था, तो मुझे पता था मुझे इंटरव्यू किया, और मैंने इतना दुखी हुई थी उस जॉब पे, और जाते हुए भी मैंने बोला था कि मैंने जो सीखना था ना, जो लाइफ में नहीं सीखा होगा, ससुराल ने नहीं सिखाया होगा, पर यहाँ पे मैंने सीख लिया। सो वो जर्नी है हमारी, दुख भी आएगा तो ऐसे हंसते हंसते ही आएगा, बट चूज कर लीजिए ना आनंद जी कि मैंने खुश ही रहना है। सोनल, सो लवली टू सी यू। या आनंद जी कुछ और?
नहीं बस, थैंक यू।
तो अब अगर आप मेडिटेशन में होंगे और आपको झटके लगेंगे या आपको लगेगा आप उड़ रहे हो, आप बोलना थैंक यू, आई लव माई सेल्फ। ठीक है? और इस मेडिटेशन का असर 3 हफ्ते तक रहेगा। आप प्लीज पानी, ओके आप प्लीज पानी बहुत पीजिएगा। अगर नमक, चीनी या कुछ खाने की जरूरत फील हो, सुबह कल केला खा लीजिए, दैट विल बी बेस्ट, इट विल बैलेंस योर सोडियम मैग्नीशियम। नम्रता जी आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? ओके, प्रीति, इज मम अराउंड स्टिल?
Yeah. She's lying down and listening to the conversation.
Awesome, great, cool. ठीक है, so ठीक है, so मैं शुरू करूं?
I have a question, Aditi. Can I ask that question?
I'm only getting you as MF
Yeah.
Gandhi.
So, Nisrin.
Oh, okay, Nisrin. Cool. Huh.
Nisrin. Yeah. Okay. So my question here is it only that what we have written to you will release, or can we do it from our side also? Suppose if something just comes to our mind when we are doing that meditation and we feel okay, we should let this go because this is in some way holding us up or blocking us. Can we do it at that point of time also?
You want to do it at that point of time?
When you're doing the meditation with us.
So, like I said, I am not the controller here. The control lies with you. Whatever, from whichever lifetime you want to release today, please do. And allow the new possibilities to show up. आप कहीं meditation में होगे, आप लगेगा आपको कि मैं तो रानी हूँ. I am sitting in a throne and you know there are so many people मेरे आसपास इतने नौकर चाकर, इसलिए मुझे इस जन्म में शायद काम करना अच्छा नहीं लगता. So say I would like to invite that energy. And कहीं लगेगा कि अरे मुझे तो ट्रैप करके रखा हुआ है, मेरे को तो मेरे को तो स्लेव बना के रखा हुआ है, या मुझे मारने वाले हैं, oh I'm so rich that is why they want to kill me. जो भी awareness आए, when you feel expanded, increase that. When you feel small, contracted, or if your body gives you some pain, release it. And अगर कोई इंसान आए आपकी उसमें, I was going to do this when I'm doing the meditation, but if some people show up, if they make you feel good, say thank you for being a contribution. If they make you feel dirty, filthy, or if you feel like slapping them, slap them. Meditation में ही तो हो, कुछ भी चलेगा, ठीक है? And then say I'm very sorry, but thank you for being a contribution to my life.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
I have no idea what everybody is thinking, but I'm loving this. So thank you so much.
मस्ती है आदती, इससे तो I want a session with you जहाँ पे मैं गालियाँ दे सकूँ. मैं कभी कुत्ता साला के आगे बड़ी नहीं जिंदगी में.
अरे मैं इतनी MCBC बोलती हूँ, I can't tell you. I'm a Punjabi यार. My kids also, when I'm driving, there are times when I'm about to say it and my daughter is like, shall I? And I'm like, shut up. So please दे दो. जिस meditation के बीच में भी please कोई इंसान आए और उसको सोच के, और मेरे तो एक्स बॉसेस इतने सारे आते थे, मेरे को बहुत परेशान किया मेरे बॉसेस ने. सो मैं तो बहुत खुल के देती थी गालियां मेडिटेशन में. हाय मेरी जान खा गई, ये वो जो भी बोलना है उस समय मैं बोल देती थी, बिकॉज आई डोंट कीप एनीथिंग. मुझे बीमारी नहीं चाहिए. सो प्लीज बी अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट यू आर क्रिएटिंग इन योर लाइफ. रिलीज इट, लेट इट गो एंड एंजॉय, बिकॉज जब तक ये जाएगा नहीं, सो दैट अक्षय कुमार हु इज वेटिंग फॉर यू टू कम इनटू योर लाइफ कहां से आएगा? I love Hema's expressions. Cool. अब हम शुरू करें meditation. सब good. I love this happy, joyous energy. Everybody can be muted. Okay, they are all muted. And please receive, surrender to this Reiki energy. Receive wholeheartedly. Feel the joy. Be the joy. And while you're in that meditation and you think of somebody who's far away, or you think of your parents or your children, from that space you can say, I send this beautiful energy to you. Okay, and they will know what to do with it. It's okay, no problem. Just be in allowance. Cool. I could be guiding you through it, or it could be just something. Please deal with it. There could be music changes. There could be so much happening. Till I don't say, now open your eyes, please keep your eyes closed and keep the focus on your breathing. मैं हिंदी में बोलूं या इंग्लिश में? मैं दोनों कर सकती हूँ, बताइए. या मिक्स्ड बोलूं?
Mixed.
Whatever is convenient for you, do that. We are in the receiving mode, we will receive.
अच्छा, ठीक. Okay. Nisreen, was I able to answer your question?
Yes, yes, you were. Because right now, sometimes, you know, you're not very aware of what exactly, and then suddenly something comes into your awareness. So I was just wondering if it could happen at that point. So you answered it perfectly.
So stop thinking. I'll also share one thing which I had shared with Preeti. I was going to give my yoga exam, and I was late by almost 40 minutes. And when I was entering the yoga institute, वो जो founder हैं, उनकी photo थी वहाँ पे. तो मैंने literally अंदर exam room में जाते जाते बोला, please come inside, write my exam for me. And I finished my exam in 40 minutes, half an hour earlier than was expected. So nothing is right, nothing is wrong. What you do is your magic. Just believe in that magic. आनंद जी, बस अपने पे भरोसा करना ही सबसे आसान बात है, जो हम सबसे मुश्किल बना देते हैं.
जी.
और आपने तो मतलब ऑलरेडी मैजिक क्रिएट किया हुआ है, फिर डाउट आना ही नहीं चाहिए. मेरी स्पेस में डाउट है ही नहीं. मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो सही है मेरे लिए और इस मोमेंट में. ठीक है, गुड. चलिए, लेट्स गो. So wherever you may be in this moment, in this time, in this space, wherever you are scattered, wherever you are spread out, wherever you are webbing out because you want to do more, you want to be more, bring your awareness to the base of your spine and to your breathing. Allow yourself to relax, surrender to this energy, and enjoy this present moment.
Did you know that your energy body might be the biggest obstacle holding you back from living your greatest life?
Sorry. Keep the focus on your breathing. Have a gentle smile on your face. Allow the thoughts to come in and go. And now walk yourself through a garden. आप एक पार्क में चल रहे हैं, पास में एक स्ट्रीम है, आपको पानी की आवाज आ रही है, पत्तियां आपके पैरों में लग रही हैं, आपको चिड़ियों की आवाज भी आ रही है, और आपका ध्यान सिर्फ उस पहाड़ पे चढ़ने का है. आप चलते जा रहे हैं, आसपास बहुत कुछ है जो हो रहा है, और आपका फोकस है आगे बढ़ने का। आप चलते रहिए, अपनी अवेयरनेस में जो लोग आपके सामने आ रहे हैं वो कौन हैं, वो आपको कैसा फील करा रहे हैं, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, आप उन्हें थैंक यू बोलिए और बोलिए, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग दिस कंट्रीब्यूशन इन माय लाइफ, आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू यू। अगर गुस्सा आ रहा है, प्लीज उसे रिलीज कर दीजिए, आपकी बॉडी में इस गुस्से की जगह नहीं है, और उन्हें बोल दीजिए, थैंक यू, आपने मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी सीख दी, मैं आपको फिर भी ब्लेस करती हूँ, मैं करता हूँ, क्योंकि आपने मुझे ये लेसन जो मैं सीखने के लिए आया था, आई थी, जो मैंने चूज किया था, मैंने आपको अलाउ किया मुझे सिखाने के लिए, उसके लिए बहुत थैंक यू। Keep the focus on your breathing. Release your toes, relax your toes. Relax your neck, relax your shoulder. If you're feeling any heaviness in your body, please allow it to go. Allow the rhythm of the music to heal you. Relax your ankles. Relax your thighs. We end up storing anger in our thighs. If any memory from your childhood comes up, acknowledge it. Oh yes, I remember this happened, and I'm willing to let it go now. I'm willing to receive new lessons, new experiences. I'm filled with love. My heart is filled with love. मेरे में इतना प्यार है कि मैं सबको दे दूं, फिर भी मेरे लिए बहुत बचेगा. And I trust myself. I trust myself. And I honor myself for my kindness. Even if people have wronged me, I honor myself for the being that I am. I'm strong. I'm courageous. And I love myself above all. अपने से प्यार करता हूँ. और जब मैं खुश हूँ, तो मेरे आसपास के सब लोग खुश हैं. और खुश होने में कोई गलती नहीं है. सबसे जरूरी है मेरा खुश होना. सो आज जो भी मैंने अंदर अक्यूमुलेट करके रखा है, जो मुझे तोड़ रहा है या डरा रहा है, आई रिलीज इट ऑल. मैं वो सब छोड़ता हूँ. मैं सब छोड़ती हूँ. इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर माई बॉडी. If there are people showing up, please forgive and move on. Keep walking your path ahead. You've reached the mountain. Keep walking this mountain. आप उस पहाड़ पे चढ़ते रहिए और इस म्यूजिक को फील करते रहिए जो आपके पाँव में एनर्जी दे रहा है आगे बढ़ने के लिए. Now you reach the mountain top. How does it feel? And who is with you in this journey and at the top of that hill? कौन है आपके साथ और आपको कैसा लग रहा है? कितनी खुशी हो रही है क्योंकि आप कहीं पहुंच गए. अब अपने आप को थैंक यू कहिए अपने आत्मनिर्भरता, अपने आत्मविश्वास के लिए. यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, यू डिड इट. If your heart is expanding, allow that energy to expand. Send it to whoever you feel you can contribute to, your partner, your spouse, your children, your parents, your in-laws, your boss, your colleagues, your friends, who can receive this with total ease. Your house helpers, who are probably sending you a lot of blessings in these times as well. There is no space for any negative memory now. You're all healed. You are a new energy body. Your entire body is tingling with joy and abundance, and you're willing to receive new changes, new possibilities, new experiences, because you are choosing to be a greater being now. Let go of all the previous stories. Let go of all the previous fears. Let go of all the doubt, all the expectations from others. Know that in your capacity, you are one with the universe. You are one with the divine, and you have the power to create. From this space, become aware of what you would like your life to be like. And go crazy, be irrational. Whatever you truly desire is actualizing for you in this moment. So choose. Choose the house you've always wanted. Choose the comforts you've always wanted. Choose the friendships you've always desired. Choose the relationship that you would like to invite into your life. Choose the people who can contribute to you. And if you want to just be in this space, be there. Sit down, let the grass touch you, let the sun kiss you. Let the water sprinkle you with the healing powers that it has. And express a lot of gratitude for yourself. Feel that your body is feeling so light. It has released everything. You're a light being. Please stay in that space. And if you have traveled into any other universe, if you have traveled into a more magical pixie dust, Peter Pan sort of space, come back to your present life. Come back to this space that you're in, knowing that you're healed of all that you were holding on to earlier. And you're filled with the divine energy and power to choose and create a greater life. Become aware of your body. Roll your neck slightly. If you're lying down, please shift to one side. Keep your eyes closed and then get up. You can rub your palms together. Up your eyes. Have a gentle smile on your face and gently open your eyes when you are ready. Some of you might want to stay in that space. Absolutely fine. If you still want to continue and talk and share, brilliant. That's also welcome. But take some time, sip some water if required, and become present with all the awareness that happened for you now. I would love to see everybody on video if possible. How does it feel? Okay. Thank you. Can I take a picture? Can I get a big smile? Thank you. And I must say, I want to share that thank you, Namrata. Yes, I have a big phobia of deadlines, authority figures. Mom's feeling heavy in the heart area. What is it that she became aware of? Is she willing to let it go now with ease? And do I have permission to do some work with her?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can I get her name?
Manjeet.
You have a lot of admirers when she was young.
She hasn't disclosed that part ever.
Ask her, maybe it's time.
आयो में जाने वाले बात है पता नहीं
Killer थी.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल